Today we will learn how to download our schema GraphQL files to embed into our projects. Hi, I'm Alex the Architect from GraphQL and this is Talking to the Architect. And every time you need to implement a GraphQL client in your front end, you probably will need the GraphQL schema file. And this is very easily obtained in the dashboard. So to illustrate that, here I have an app which has a person class, which has a name as a string, a age as a number. And if I go to API, console, and open the GraphQL console, in here I can start writing my queries and mutations. So to illustrate that, let's create a new query. This will be in the people, which is the plural for person, so because I want multiple objects. Then we are going to get the edges, node, and then from here I can retrieve the name and also the age. If I run this, here is my result from executing this GraphQL query. But if I wanted to implement it in my front end, I have to download the schema files for it. So all I have to do is open the schema here. And here you have this download button. If you click that, you can choose the JSON format or the SDL format, which is most used for GraphQL clients, but you have to choose the one that fits the client that you're trying to use. So once you download that and open it up on your Visual Studio or on your IDE, you'll find in here all the types and properties and methods that will make your queries and mutations work. So for instance, in here I have my type person, which is my person class that implements the parse object and node. So you can see it has the object ID, which means ID, which is the type ID, the object ID, once again as ID, created at, updated at, and ACL, which corresponds to date formats and ACL, and then my name, which is a string, and my age, which is a number, in this case interpreted as a float. So from this moment on, all I have to do is to embed this file into my front end, and it will automatically generate all these types for me to consume from the front end. So, if you found this content helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions or suggestions or implementations you want to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.